Hello and welcome to Wise Guys and Gals how-to video for the activity Designer Ice Cream. The STEM career highlighted in this activity is food scientist. Food scientists are involved in how food is manufactured, packaged, and made. They study ways to improve food and food processes and ensure the safety of the public. The STEM big idea for this activity is phase change. How does a liquid become a solid? In this activity, heat is being transferred by convection from the ice cream mixture to the ice salt mixture, allowing the ice cream to become a solid. In this activity, teams will create their own ice cream. After mixing the ingredients, they will cool their mixture in an ice bath. The secret to creamy ice cream is in the rapid freezing of the mixture. A very cold ice bath causes the fat and water particles to stay small, giving the ice cream its creamy consistency. The goal is to avoid ice crystals forming. To enable fast freeze, teams will add salt to their ice bath and experience the freezing point depression. An extra cold bath is one of the design criteria. The materials needed for this activity are the ice cream, which is made from half and half, sugar and vanilla extract, the ice bath, which requires ice cubes and 2 cups of salt. Equipment needed are 1 3-quart food container with a tight lid, 2 1-quart Ziploc bags, mixing bowl, measuring cup, measuring teaspoons, spoon for mixing, a digital thermometer, spoons and cups for tasting. Before the kids walk in, familiarize yourself with the design challenge. Get all the materials you need ready to go. Read the facilitator guide. It includes many important details for the activity. Set up the activity so that when the learners come in, they are ready to begin and have fun. To get the learners excited about the activity, ask questions about everyday experiences, going out to get ice cream, creating a sundae, or some shared experiences. What happens when you leave ice cream out too long? What happens when you freeze melted ice cream? Be sure to ask why this happens. Let's check out some highlights for this activity. Measuring the drop in the ice bath temperature with the addition of salt. Seeing creamy liquid freeze into solid ice cream. And enjoying a sweet reward. The design criteria for this activity is creating a solid ice cream, so the phase change part. The consistency, so that no crystals have formed. The taste. Has your bag leak? Does your ice cream taste salty? And the temperature of the salt, ice, water mixture. In this activity, teams will mix 2 cups of half and half a cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Make sure the teams mix until all the sugar is dissolved. Then transfer 1 cup to a Ziploc bag. Tightly seal the bag. Then put that bag in another Ziploc bag and tightly seal it. Place the ice and the salt into a 3-quart food container with a lid. Make sure it's mixed well. Put the filled bags into the container, secure the lid, shake the container until the mixture is frozen and resembles ice cream. This typically takes 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the bags with the ice cream in it from the outer bag and snip a piece off the corner of each bag. Pipe the ice cream into small bowls and enjoy. Learners will create an ice bath to learn about freezing point depression, or how do we make ice colder. This is a very memorable part of the activity. Place ice in a 3-quart container. Measure the temperature. Add 1/4 cup salt. Mix. Do not stick your hand in. The ice mixture will be at a very cold temperature and can give you frostbite. Then measure the temperature. Add another 1/4 cup of salt. Mix and measure the temperature again. Once the ice bath is ready, add ice cream in their Ziploc bags. It will require 10 to 15 minutes of vigorous shaking. Learners may want to hold it by the sides or the lid as the sides get very cold. Voila, ice cream. Facilitator tips, where the gotchas can getcha. Make sure the Ziploc bags are securely zipped, as you do not want salt leaking into your ice cream. Don't reuse the ice baths. They don't work as well the second time around. Do not let students hold ice and salt in their hands, as salt makes ice colder and can cause frostbite. Ice cream requires 10 to 15 minutes to freeze. At the end, they can enjoy their own cup of designer ice cream.